I am Natasha. This is NanaBOOZHOO. Welcome back to the show.
Operator, can you help me place this call? See, the number on the matchbook is old and faded. She's living in LA with my best old ex-friend Ray, a guy that she said she knew once but almost hated. Isn't that the way they say it goes? Well, let's forget all that. Give me the number if you can find it, and I can call just to tell them I'm fine and to show. Overcome the blow, I've learned to take it well. I only wish my words could just convince myself that it just wasn't real. But that's not the way it feels. No, 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 no. Operator, can you help me place this call? I can't read the number that you just gave me. There's something in my eyes. You know what happens every time I think about the love that I thought would save me. But isn't that the way they say it goes? Well, let's forget all that. Give me the number if you can find it, and I can call just to tell them I'm fine and to show. Overcome the blow, I've learned to take it well. I only wish my words could just convince myself that it just wasn't real. But that's not the way it feels. No, 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 no. Operator, let's forget about this call. There's no one there I really needed to talk to. Thank you for your time. You've been so much more than kind. You can keep the dime. Isn't that the way they say it goes? Let's forget all that. Give me the number if you can find it, and I can call just to tell them I'm fine and to show. Overcome the blow, I learned to take it well. I only wish my words could just convince myself that it just wasn't real. But that's not the way it feels. No, no, no. That's not the way it feels. No, 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 no.
Oh,
Hey y'all, if you'd like to support the show, if you'd like to support BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about OJIBWE language and culture, click the links in the description box. We have a Patreon page, a PayPal page, and a GoFundMe page. And if you'd like to order an Ojibwe language book, comic, coloring book, what have you, Michael Lyons has books for sale at Amazon.com. All right. Back to you, NanaBOOZHOO.
I don't know, what do you think?
how about Landslide?
Landslide? Yeah, okay. Took my love and I took it down. Climbed a mountain and I turned around. And I saw my reflection in the snow-covered hills till the landslide brought me down. Oh, mirror in the sky, what is love? Can a child within my heart rise above? Can I sail through the changing ocean tide? Can I sail through the season of my mind? Well, I've been afraid of changing, 'cause I built my life around you, weenie shame. But time makes you bolder, even children get older, and I'm getting older too. I've been afraid of changing, 'cause I lived my life around you. But time makes you bolder, even children get older, and I'm getting older too. Oh, I'm getting older too. Take my love, take it down. Climb a mountain, I turn around. And if you see my reflection in the snow-covered hills, landslide will bring it down. If you see my reflection in the snow-covered hills, well, the landslide will bring it. Landslide will bring it down.
Oh, sweetie, that was beautiful.
Thanks, Sweetie Machine. Hey, BOOZHOO! Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture.